them. Where are these? What are they doing? What are these? Who is this? Where are all of them? Where are these brief community people? Come outside, though. All of you should come outside. This compound, it's not even contain me and any of you. Come outside. Why
you dey shout? What happened?
Where are the rest of the brief community?
What happened? No, they back again like that. What happened? Why you dey shout?
Wait first, mosquito. All of you come outside. Come outside first. Yeah, never a better mosquito.
You see the para? You see the para?
First of all,
you carry duvet, go put for backyard, full everywhere. You can't hear the para. What you be that now?
is it my friend that you're calling duvet?
Wait, now fight. Now I'm neighbor.
Hey!
What's be that?
Who shifted all my clothes and my underwears one side, including this one? I picked this one from the floor. Well, will you people now? Who spread all those baby overalls, baby napkins?
Now that. Now you they call underwear. Hey!
But you did not tell me that you have given birth. Who are the owner of those overall? Just small children. Baby slots.
Waiting the babies there. Okay, because they are babies as you can say now, I make you carry oversized a blanket, go spread for that place. Duvet. Carry duvet.
Wait, are you people talking to me?
No, we dey talk to your spirit. It don't even reach me so bad. That bada, it dey reach me so bad. I be maternity gown, not your married gown, no. Maternity gown.
My parents maternity gown.
Now.
Okay. I'm going now. Now the three of you have decided to gang up against me in this compound. But you see this 2024, I no go grief for now. Lie.
We no go grief. We no go grief. We no dey do anybody.
He shot you.
Do I change them for you? What you don't say you go fit do?
If you don't say you no grief, cross the cross one. Cross here.
What be Jesus.
What are they doing? Look at this. Who is this?
Let me show you that I will show you that I'm sure.
Oh, I'm not too much.
Jesus!
Are you okay? Never. Welcome. Holy Spirit, never welcome. You know, say this 2024. They don't say, no, will not grieve anybody. I showed these girls shaking. They're joking with me in this compound. Hey, I'm going to tell them that this slogan is not meant for them, but it's meant for me. I can make before the end of this year. Don't worry, move me ever. Hold on. That here wherever what I'm ever so. Hey, which you yes, you say you will show Pepe. Sit down, now three of them. Huh? Now these people you fight? Yes, no. Three of them are not. Hey! If you see, I'm not every time I talk about this couple, say, Niwo oburu no fobro, and we have now for you fobro. My dear, so you look yourself finished as big as you are, beautiful and elegant. Anytime when you pass for road, now so people they turn them. You can enter compound. Out of all the hefty girls and boys being at this compound, the people you are going to fight with, kindergarten. Even if you say they are not children, what would you say if somebody come out now and see you fighting these people? But they are the ones that look for my time. And then go and look for what happened. What did they do?
She carry Tufe go put for backyard.
You are still calling my pants to do. If you touch them, I spread my underwear at the back and some of my clothes. We've said this thing. We've said this thing in this compound. You are intimidating people with those your stuff. Your panties should not be spread outside. Panty I would call panty to one. Panty of one community. If you will have partially need it. Only that you go cause one pint. Nobody go see space. Buy your own hanger, spray your own thing. Your panty not be the same with others.
So
what are you trying to say? That I'm a human being? You are a human being. I'm not trying to underrate you. But there is greater space for your panty. I'm not saying right hand signboard keep space for ever panty. So nobody will near them. I don't want this kind of nonsense again. Don't kill these children. Don't intimidate them. They say this year no grief for anybody. Look at people where you no grief for. But the other day somebody come here, do you finish, you no pay you. You no come out. Give never, we have not gotten to that. Who asked you? Did anybody ask you? It's okay, I beg. Anybody ask we just say we don't know.
Auntie,
you just say we don't know.
You guys if you talk to them again.
Stand up, no grief for anybody.
Stand up now. We are on a day for all. Let me say, ground and see. You never breathe your hand. So come give a little calamity. Hey, as soon as I stand up, where will I come there for all? Not be still for ground a day.
Okay, which side where you there? You there with us, or you there against us?
I go there with you. Me and you, the same boat. Are we in the same category? Even if you don't climb on top of the mountain, you know, still you are still on the floor. We are not the fight trouble. We are not get power natural baby.
Okay, so not get power. I forgot those are. Because you just come, we leave her alone. We just leave them because say we sit under anointing, fasting and prayer.
Yes.
Oh, I never church. Hey God, we never church.
Okay, that's the way she get. See her. Yes, she get that. See her for here.
Why you want it to be?
Now.
This neighbor. No. Because we never quick.
I beg, make another make noise. On a for doing us. I'm what is your name? My name, nobody boy for men. The answer by J. Person, so if you want to answer your name that fits you. You see how she answer ever. She's ever ready to fight. That is what makes her ever. She's ever ready to do anything. Imo Comedy 100. She's ever ready to open. How would you like to go? But I was still she's very strong. That is why I like her. The first day I entered there, I almost felt it. I entered there, go do this thing.
Your wife go hear this one. I swear. Go wait. You enter.
Now,
this of 1 million.
Hey!
Not now.
Come back now. Hey! Send me the talk to us.
I enter. I almost enter.
Not be waiting you here. I talk. That's why I enter inside spirit. Go enter inside spirit. I'm not in a boat.
He done sex. I say he done sex.